Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is on eyebrow razor. As you all remember, I had a video earlier which had epilator which removes hair from upper lips and the eyebrows, but I couldn't get the precise shape of the eyebrows, so I found eyebrow razor. It has a groomer which is used to brush our eyebrow hair, and this blade has an stainless blade which prevents rusting. It's a small blade, so it can be used in small areas. And for the video that you're watching is in the bathroom. It has a secret that I am shooting it in the bathroom and my hairs are open. For that you have to watch this video till the end. This is the close-up of eyebrow razor with groomer. The product's name is Basic Care and the price of the product is 225 rupees. It is of 2017 and I have been using it for 1 year. So let's start. Take out the extra hair from the eyebrow, from the bottom of the eyebrow, then from the top of the eyebrow, and then from the sides of the eyebrows. Our aim is to just clean the extra hairs that we have around our eyebrows. I have been doing this for 1 year, and since then I have noticed to get a thicker eyebrow, this is the best procedure. No oiling or nothing is going to increase the eyebrow hair, but the razor used on the eyebrows make the hair grow thicker. So I don't suggest it to be used on any other part of our face. Like this, we can cut the extra longer hair that we have on our eyebrows. After this, we have to use astringent on our eyebrows to prevent any bump or irritation to our skin. So after this procedure, we are using Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit. It is used to color the eyebrows wherever we have sparse hair to shape the eyebrow. I like this pencil because it has a spoolie on another end to comb the hair of eyebrows. It is the best pencil to be kept in a bag, and we are good to go. Both of the eyebrow razor and this pencil both work perfectly. So this is the finished look. And there comes the secret part of this video. For my thick long hair, the only secret hair pack I use is this. And for that you all have to give me more than 100 likes, then only I would be making a video on this. For more videos like this, do keep liking, watching my video. Stay tuned.